Understand it, I'm a fucking bandit.
You can fuck with me if you wanted to. These expensive, these is red bottoms, these is bloody shoes. I can get them up, I don't want to.
What's up, you guys, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new, then welcome to my channel. My name is Mariah Shaaanxo, and yeah, today we did this double cut crease look, and I think it turned out super glamorous and cute. It was kind of a difficult look to do, but you know, we put it together and we made it work. So if you want to see how I got this look and the products that I used to create this look, then just keep on watching. Don't forget to like this video, comment, and subscribe, and also turn on my post notifications so that you never miss a new video. Anyways, yeah, let's get right into this look. Okay guys, so I'm just taking the Shaaanxo palette, the Remix palette from BH Cosmetics, and putting that all over my eyelid using the color Buttercup. I just got this palette, so this is what we're going to use to create this look. Now I'm going in with the color Terracotta and just putting that into my crease and kind of dragging it upward towards my eyebrow. You really want to pack this color on so that it can show up and be really pigmented. So that's what I'm doing. That's why I switched to the flat brush. And then we're going to take the fluffy brush and blend it out. Okay, now I'm taking the color Stalker, which is on the other side of the palette. There's two sides on this palette with 9 colors on each side. But yeah, we're taking the color Stalker and just building that up right into the crease and a little up, kind of the same way we did the Terracotta, just to enhance the color and make it really pop. Going back in with Buttercup just to blend out any harsh lines that may have came from the other colors. Now I'm going into the palette and taking this color Vampette, which is a really vampy red burgundy color, and we're just going to really build that up into the crease, kind of in a arch motion, because we're going to be doing a cut crease, and I want this to be that dark color that kind of pops right out from on top of the cut crease.
Understand it, I'm a fucking bandit.
You can fuck with me if you wanted to. These expensive, these is red bottoms, these is bloody shoes. I can get them up, I don't want to choose. And I'm quick, cut a nigga off, so don't get comfortable. Look, I don't dance now, I make money move. Said I don't gotta dance, I make.
Now I'm just using my Tarte Tape and Shape concealer and using this to cut my crease. Yeah, that's pretty much it. Now with this cut crease, we're going to drag out the very end of it and kind of create like a tail, if you will. That's what's going to really create the double cut crease once we add the other colors, and yeah, you'll see how it turns out. Now I'm just taking that dark color again and putting that right on top of the cut crease with a pencil brush, just to darken that up and define the cut crease a little bit more. Now I'm applying those two colors, the Vampette and the Stalker, and just creating the second cut crease now. I sprayed the brush so that the color will be a lot more pigmented. And now I'm taking this small eyeliner brush and using the concealer to just redefine that line where some eyeshadow may have got onto it. Now I'm going in with the color Dream Girl from the palette and just putting this on the whole inner half of the cut crease, and then kind of blending it out towards the end because we're going to apply a darker black color and just kind of ombre those two together. Now this is the color, what's this color called? Silhouette, and this is like a kind of shimmery black color, and we're going to put this all on the outer part of the second cut crease and drag it up kind of like an eyeliner.
Shoulder sideways, smack it in the air. Legs moving side to side, smack it in the air. Legs moving side to side, smack it in the air. Shoulder sideways, smack it in the air. Shoulder sideways, smack it in the air.
Now we're just using that same concealer and the eyeliner brush to clean up any areas where it may be messy.
Shoulder sideways, smack it in the air. Clap, 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 like you don't care. Clap, 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 like you don't care. Clap, 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 like you don't care.
Here I'm just putting concealer back on any areas and clean it up because, you know, with this eyeshadow there was a lot of fallout, so I'm just going to clean up and reapply some bronzer and do my nose contour over because we kind of wiped all that out with the concealer.
Smack it in the air. Smack it in the air. Way your hands I do, I put it in the air. Way your hands I do, I put it in the air. Clap, 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 like you don't care. Smack that.
Now I'm just going to take the color Stalker and the Vampette color. I'm sorry, I'm looking at the palette. I'm just going to take both of those colors and smoke out the bottom of my eye, and then I'm also going to take that black color and put that on the very middle of the bottom of my eyelid, just to smoke it out and give it a nice look.
Hands up, I put up my hands up and I'm spinning on my hands up, spinning while my hands up, spinning while my hands up, spinning while my hands up, and I'm tipping on my hands up, spinning, I'm spinning, I'm spinning while my hands up, I'm spinning, I'm spinning, I'm spinning while my hands up. Clap, 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 like you don't care. Clap, 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 like you don't care. Clap, 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 like you don't care.
After applying mascara, I'm going to go in with the color Island Glow and just put that on my inner tear ducts and my brow bone, just to give the eyes a pop.
Smack it in the air. Smack it
heart is glowing, and I'm crashing into you. Baby, kiss me before I turn the lights out. Before I turn the lights out, baby, love me lights out. And the dark is not out. I search through the crowd. This is all that I see. I'll give you everything, baby, love me lights out. Baby, love me lights out.
Now I'm just putting on some lipstick. I don't know if you guys can see this name, but it's the NYX liquid lipstick in Abu Dhabi. I love that color. But anyways, this is the finished look. I hope you guys really like it. I think it turned out super cute. Don't forget to give this video a like and subscribe to my channel. Turn on those post notifications, and I'll see you next time. Mwah.